So we are JME Healeys, and we specialise in the restoration and maintenance of Austin Healey classic cars. So our business was established in 1977 by our father John. Myself and my brother have been now running the business for 15 years. Our business covers anything regarding Austin Healey, which varies from full restoration to annual servicing and maintenance, bare metal resprays, engines, gearboxes, anything regarding the restoration of Austin Healeys, we can cover it. Collection and delivery for our business is critical, and being able to provide a service to a customer of an enclosed transport trailer is crucial. Basically, due to the value of these vehicles now, and the majority of these customers, these cars being their pride and joy, being able to transport a vehicle safely in a controlled environment is critical for our business. Brian James Trailers, like ourselves, are an established family-run business, been around for many, many years. We have owned numerous Brian James trailers over the years and have always supported our business well. This car is a Healey 100 BM1. This particular car we pulled out of a Scottish island, dug it out of the ground. It was in a very sorry state. We've literally restored this vehicle from the ground up. New chassis, new inner structure, new body. We've salvaged everything from this vehicle we possibly could to try and keep the originality of this car. The race box trailer that we have in the workshop, great rear door and side door access. Really like the full height access door at the front of the trailer. The gull-wing doors allowing easy access in and out the side, particularly when strapping down and accessing the vehicles. The optional extra winch is a great addition to the trailer, particularly the remote feature that allows full access to the car when winching the car onto the trailer. Really useful feature on the deck of the trailer is the multiple strapping points that allow multiple vehicles of different wheelbases to be strapped down securely. As a business, we've been very fortunate for the last 30 years to have had the opportunity to maintain and look after possibly the greatest Healey of them all, which was the Austin Healey 3000 Mark 1 URX 727, which is the Pat Moss winning Austin Healey 3000. Well, Pat Moss was the sister of the famous Sterling Moss. And Pat Moss had her own very successful rallying career alongside Sterling's own racing career. Pat Moss famously was the first female driver to win an outright rally, which was the great Liège-Rome Liège. The car we're loading today is myself and my brother's own personal rally car. We are loading it into the race box today as we're taking it to a show this weekend.